the number one reason people fail a road test isn't because they make mistakes. It's because they've done something illegal. They've broken the law or something super unsafe that makes the examiner jump or something like that, right? Just give them a nice, smooth, comfortable ride. Go the speed limit, obey the law. And when we get to the traffic lights over there, we're going to make a left turn.
A left turn?
Yeah, so if you're ready, we'll start now. 245.
Up here, do I need to signal left?
Careful. Emmaline fails to observe this pedestrian about to cross in front of us, and I had to use my instructor brake to stop us. That would have been an automatic fail on her real road test. Emmaline, make sure, especially at the road test center, you get a lot of nervous people, and it's jam-packed sometimes, so go slow. Go like under 20.
Do I have to signal left here?
No.
Or right?
No,
okay.
You don't have to, because it's just a corner.
Okay.
And so left turn at the lights. You didn't have your signal on.
Oh, did it go away?
Yeah, it might have come off, yeah. So, okay. Make a right lane change. If they don't say anything at all, just assume they want you to go straight, so we'll do the same thing. And we'll make a left lane change. You know it's 50 here, right? Left turn at the traffic lights, please. They'll ask you nicely.